Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your maths class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your maths class. So class, in our previous session, as you all know that we were on exercise 8.2 from the chapter number 8, that is common fractions. Okay, so in the last in the last session, we have done up to question number 7 of exercise 8.2, sorry 8. We have done up to question number 8 of exercise 8.2. So today I am going to begin with the question number 9 from the exercise 8.2. So first of all, I'll just write on the topic here, that is exercise 8.2. So the question number 9. So we have to begin with question number 9. So the question number 9 is, if 1 liter petrol costs rupees 44, what will 3 upon 4 liter cost? If the cost of 1 liter petrol is rupees 44, what will be the cost of 3/4 liter petrol? So definitely if the cost of 1 is more, okay, so that means that if we have to find the cost of less quantity of petrol, so the cost will also decrease. Okay, so for finding the cost of 3 upon 4 liter of petrol, we have to find the 3/4 of the total cost as well. So let's find out. Cost of 1 liter petrol, cost of 1 liter petrol, cost of 1 liter petrol is equal to rupees 44. Okay, the cost of 1 liter petrol is equal to rupees 44. This is the cost of 1 liter petrol. And we have to find the cost of 3/4 liter of petrol. So let's find out. Cost of 3/4 liter of, okay, so I just forgot to write, okay, of petrol, okay, that is rupees 44, and the cost of 3/4 liter of petrol, that we have to find out. So that will be 3/4 of rupees 44. So the cost of 3/4 liter of petrol will be 3/4 of rupees 44. So let's find out the cost of 3/4 liter of petrol. So 3/4 of rupees 44. 3/4 of rupees 44. Okay, so that is equal to 3/4 of will change into sign of multiplication, that will be 44. So 3 multiplied by 44. 3 multiplied by 44. Okay, so the 3 upon 44, and the common denominator is 4. So 3 into 44 multiply by 4. So let's multiply 3 with 44. 44 into 3. 3 fours are 12. 3 fours are 12 plus 1, 13. That is 132. That is rupees 132 upon 4. That is rupees 132 upon 4. So this is the fraction. So now we have to divide the numerator with the denominator. So that means we will divide 132 with 4. We will divide 132 with 4. So let's divide it. 4 3s are 12 minus 1 3 minus 2 1, 1 minus 1 0. Bring down the next number, that is 2. 4 3s are 12. So 12 minus 12, nothing is left. So now we have got the quotient, that is 33. So that means 130 rupees, 132 upon 4 is equal to rupees 33. That is equal to rupees 33. So that means the cost of 3/4 liter of petrol is rupees 33. So let's write down. Therefore, the cost of 3/4 liter of petrol is, therefore the cost of 3/4 liter of petrol is rupees 33. So this is the cost of 3/4 liter of petrol. Okay, and this is the solution of question number 9 as well. So you can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Chaliye. Moving next to the question number 10. Okay, let's move to the next question. That is question number 10. So the question number 10 is find. So here the question number 10 is divided into 4 parts. So we have to find the A1 1/4 of 1 meter. In question number 10, the A part is we have to find 1/4 of 1 meter. We have to find 1/4 of 1 meter. Okay, so देखिए 1 मीटर का 1/4 निकालना है. So if you multiply 1/4 into 1, so that will be 1/4 only. Okay, so in that case what we do, तो जो हमारे पास, जब हमारे पास ऐसी कैलकुलेशन 1 मीटर दिया, सपोज यहाँ पे अगर 2 होता, so we can 2 or 3 any other number, but except 1, if any other measurement is given, so we can directly multiply it. But here as you can see, this is the 1/4 meter is given. So what you will do in this kinds of measurements if are given, so we have to convert these measurements into the smaller units. So that means we will write solution 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now that means 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So that means we will find 1/4 of 100 centimeter. So 1/4 of 1 meter या 1/4 of 100 centimeter, they are equal. So 1/4 of 100 centimeter. So that is 1/4 into 100. That is 1 into 100. That will be 1 into 100, the common denominator is 4. So this is 100 upon 4 centimeter. This is 100 upon 4 centimeter. Okay, so 1/4 of 1 meter, because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So that's why we have converted 1 meter into the 100 centimeter. And then the same calculation as we were doing earlier. So this is now 100 upon 4 centimeter. So now for giving this fraction a number, we will divide 100 with 4. So let's divide 100 with 4. 4 2s are 8. 10 minus 8, 2. Bring down the next one, that is 0. 4 5s are 20. 20 minus 20, nothing is left. So here we are having 25 as the quotient. So that means 100 divided 4 is equal to 25. That is 25 centimeter. That is 25 centimeter. So that means 1/4 of 1 meter is equal to 25 centimeters. So write down, therefore 1 upon 4 of 1 meter is equal to 25 centimeter. Therefore 1 upon 4 of 1 meter is equal to 25 centimeter. Okay. So this is the solution of the A part of question number 4. You can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Moving next to the B part. Okay, the B part is 1 upon 2 of 1 liter. 1 upon 2 of 1 liter. 1 upon 2 of 1 liter. So let's find out 1 upon 2. Now again we are having 1 liter. So now we have to convert it again into the smaller unit. That is 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So let's do it. So that means now we have to find half of 1000 ml or milliliter, because 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So we have to find half of 1000 milliliter. Okay, so let's find out. Half of will change into sign of multiplication. 1000 will be as it is. Okay, so let's multiply 1 with 1000. 1 multiplied by 1000 divided by 2. Okay, so 1 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 1000 divided by 2. So that is milliliter. So after multiplying 1 with 1000, we got 1000 divided by 2. That is 1000 upon 2 ml. Let's divide 1000 with 2. 1000 divided by 2. Okay, that is 2 5s are 10. 10 minus 10, nothing. Bring down these 0. Okay, or you can bring 1 by 1. So 2 zeros are 0. Bring down the next one, that is 0. यहाँ पे 0 पे जाए cross लगा लीजिए. Okay, that again 2 zeros are 0. So we got quotient as 500. 1000 upon 2 ml is equal to 500 ml. That is 500 ml. That is 500 ml. Therefore, solution sentence, half of 1 liter is equal to 500 milliliter. Therefore, half of 1 liter is equal to 500 milliliter. So this is the solution of question number part B of question number 10. You can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Chale. Moving next to the C part. Moving next to the C part. The C part is, that is 3 upon 4 of 1 meter. 3/4 of 1 meter. 3/4 of 1 meter. Okay, so let's do the conversion once again. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Let's find out 3/4 of 100 centimeter. So let's find out 3/4 of 100 centimeter. Same as it is that we have done previously. So 3/4 of will change into the sign of multiplication. This is 100. Okay, because we have done the conversion by converting the bigger unit to smaller unit, that is meter into centimeter. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 3/4 of 100 centimeter, that is 3 into 100 divided by 4. 3 into 100, that is 300 divided by 4, and here we will write down the unit, that is centimeter. The unit is centimeter. Now let's do the division. Let's divide 300 with 4. 4 sevens are 28. 30 minus 28, or 10 minus 8, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Bring down the next number, that is 0. 4 fives are 20. 20 minus 20, nothing is left. So the quotient is 75. The quotient is 75. So that means 300 upon 4 is equal to 75 centimeter. This is 75 centimeter. So let's write down the solution sentence. Therefore, 3/4 of 1 meter is equal to 75 centimeter. Therefore, 3/4 of 1 meter is equal to 75 centimeter. So, this is the solution of the C part of question number 10. Okay, you can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Chaliye. Moving next to the last part of question number 10, that is the D part. The D1 is 1 upon 2 of 1 kg. This is 1 upon 2 of 1 kg, or half of 1 kg. So again we will do the conversion. This is the solution. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. So now we have to find half of 1000 grams. Okay, so let's find out. 1 upon 2 of will change into the sign of multiplication, and this is 1000. So 1 multiplied by 1000 divided by common denominator 2. So 1 multiplied by 1000 divided by 2. So 1 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 1000 in the denominator 2, and this is gram. Okay, so we have got 1000 upon 2 grams. So this is the fraction. Let's divide 1000 with 2. Okay, so now we have to divide the fraction 1000 with numerator with denominator 2. 2 fives are 10. 10 minus 10, nothing is left. Bring down the next number. 2 zeros are 0 minus nothing. Bring down the next one, that is 0. 2 zeros are 0, nothing. We got 500. So that means 1000 upon 2 gram is equal to 500 gram. 1000 upon 2 gram is equal to 500 gram. Let's write down the solution sentence. Therefore, half of 1 kg is equal to 500 grams. Okay. So this is the solution of the last part, D part of question number 4. So with this, we have completed the exercise 8.2 as well, and I'm just ending the today's session here as well. Okay, so I'll see you again in the next session. So till then, everybody, have a great day.